Good morning, class 9. Today we will discuss how to find out the percentage composition of an element. And for that, we can use this formula. Suppose if you want to find out the percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide, first of all, you will find out the mass of the carbon. You will find out the mass of the carbon first. Then you will find out the mass of the carbon dioxide. Then into 100, you will get the percentage. I think it is somewhat clear for you. अब जिस एलिमेंट का मास फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं उसको आप ऊपर रखिएगा, जिस कंपाउंड में से निकालना है उस कंपाउंड को नीचे कर दीजिएगा, इंटू 100 आपको आराम से परसेंटेज मिल जाएगा. Let me take an example. Okay, here is one example for you. Calculate the percentage of water, percentage of hydrogen in water, and for that you have given atomic mass of hydrogen as well as oxygen. As a class 9 the student, I would suggest you to by heart atomic mass of element from hydrogen, that means from atomic number 1 to 20. I expect you to by heart the atomic mass of all these elements from atomic number 1 to 20. And now how to find out? Suppose if you want to find out the molecular mass of water, you will break each atoms. You will find the 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen atom you will multiply it with the mass of hydrogen, that is 2 into 1. You will get 2 here. And then you will have to find out the mass of oxygen. 1 oxygen atom is there. So oxygen atom's mass is 16. It is given here. 16 will be multiplied by 1. And that way you will get here 16. 2 plus 16, the total mass is 18 AMU. That is quite simple. There is no complication. Now, you have to find out the percentage of which element? You have to find out the percentage of a hydrogen. So for that you have to find out the mass of hydrogen first. Then you, as you all know, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 2 you will be multiplying with 1. In that way you will get 2 as the mass of hydrogen. Now you have to find out the percentage of hydrogen. To find out the percentage of hydrogen, जो mass आया है hydrogen का 2 upon 18 into 100 you will multiply. In this way you will get the percentage. Percentage is 11.1 percentage. I think it is clear for you. I'll take one more example for you. Here comes another example. In this example we will find out the percentage of phosphorus from calcium hydrogen phosphate, and the mass of each element is given: calcium 40, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16, phosphorus 31. All the masses are given here. Now let us see how to find out. The formula of calcium phosphate is calcium hydrogen phosphate is CaH2PO4 whole twice. And we have to find out first the molecular mass of this compound. And to find out the molecular mass of this compound, you need to break each and every element separately. You will find 1 calcium here. 1 calcium I multiplied with calcium's mass, that is 40. Then you will find 2 atoms of hydrogen here, and outside the bracket also you will find 2. So this 2 will be multiplied each other, and 2 2s are 4. That is how here 4 atoms of hydrogen multiplying with 1, 4 you will get here. Then you will find here phosphorus. This 2 is for all the elements which are present inside the bracket. So 2 phosphorus there. So that is how here it is 2 into 31. 31 is the mass of phosphorus. Then go for oxygen. Oxygen you will find O4 here and 1 2 outside. The 4 2s are 8. So altogether 8 oxygens are there. Mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 into 8 you will get 128 here. So all the multiplications have been done, and now you have to add all those mass. 40 plus 4, 60 to 128. In that way you will get the mass of calcium hydrogen phosphate as 234 AMU. It is AMU. Okay, which is 234 AMU. Then now what is next? The next is you have to find out the mass of phosphorus. The mass of phosphorus, क्योंकि phosphorus का percentage निकालना है, and इस compound में phosphorus का 2 atoms है. phosphorus अंदर आपको एक ही दिखाई देगा, but bracket के बाहर 2 है, इसका मतलब वो 2 phosphorus का भी है. So that is how here the 2 phosphorus atom is multiplied with the mass of phosphorus, that is 31 into 2. In that way we have got here 62. We got all the masses. And now the formula, now just see the formula to find out the percentage of phosphorus. Mass of phosphorus we got here 62 divided by total mass of hydrogen phosphate. Total mass of hydrogen phosphate is 234. 62 divided by 234 into 100, and on simplification you will get answer as 26.49%. I think it is somewhat clear for you. Again, one more example. I'm coming up with one more example. It is one more compound. This is calcium phosphate. Once again, all the masses are given here. Calcium 40, oxygen 16, phosphorus 31. Once again, I would like to remind you, better you need to by heart all the masses of elements from atomic number 1 to 20 to be on safe side. And here is a compound, calcium phosphate, CH3PO4 whole twice. And whenever you need to find out the percentage, first of all you have to find out the molecular mass of the compound, and we are going to find out the molecular mass of the compound. 3 calcium atoms are here, that is why here 3 is multiplied with the 40 into 3, 120. Now calcium's mass we have multiplied. Now the next one is phosphorus. You will find inside only 1, but outside the bracket there is a 2. So atoms are not 1, 2 atoms are there. 2 will be multiplying with a 31. In that way we got 62 here. Then the next element is oxygen. For oxygen you will find inside, 2 outside. So you need to multiply there. 4 2s are 8. That is how here 16 into 8, 128. Okay. Then the total mass is 310 AMU there. Then you are going to find out the percentage of phosphorus. So phosphorus mass also you need to find out. The mass of phosphorus we are going to find out. For that you have to count the phosphorus atom. Phosphorus atoms outside the bracket you will find a 2. So in this particular compound there are 2 phosphorus atoms. So 2 will be multiplied with 31. In that way we will get here 62 AMU. Okay. Now जिसका निकालना है यानी फॉस्फोरस का मास आपके सामने आ गया है, जिसमें से निकालना है वो भी आपके सामने है. तो 62 will be dividing with 310 into 100, and by on simplification you will get here 20% as the answer. I think now you all must have understood how to find out the percentage of element. Thank you, children.